Someone wrote in with a great question about IT band pain for me that I really wanted to address. She said, I rest, I ice, I foam roll, but I'm still getting IT band pain that comes back after a run. Well, those modalities are great for calming down inflammation, calming down irritation, but they don't actually fix the cause of the problem. So you've got to really look at what is causing this band of fascia, iliotibial tract is a band of fascia, to be irritated. What's causing it to be painful? And then what causes most things in the body to change alignment and become irritated or not irritated is how the muscles are working around the given area. So there's more than one cause, but one of the main contributing factors that I frequently find with people with IT band is they have a more dominant TFL. So this tensor fasciae latae, it's a hip flexor muscle. Then they do glute max. So your glute max comes in and helps connect, control, and form your IT band. Your TFL comes in and does the same thing for the front. So you have these two muscles coming together to provide stability, front and back stability, to help stabilize the knee. But what happens if you're forward in a big anterior tilt and that TFL becomes a little bit more dominant, pulling on that IT band? You're probably going to have IT band pain syndrome at the knee or at the hip right over here. It's going to rub on the outside of the hip. And then that has to do with how your glute max and TFL are playing together. So that's usually, for simplicity's sake, that's usually where I start with IT band syndrome. So we take a look at the amount of glute work you're doing in your program, and if your TFL wants to take over for that glute work, because I've seen that happen. I've seen people do bridges and try to do single leg bridges or bridges with marching, and the only place they feel it is in that front hip flexor muscle. Right, so you want to make sure that your glutes are doing your work, because your glutes are your powerhouses that are helping to push you forward with running, and we want them really strong to support a nice, healthy, happy IT band.